Hi guys, welcome back to Craft and Canvas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY hidden pop-up that actually pops when you press it. And the best part, we are going to use simple materials you probably already have at home. So if you love creative paper crafts and surprise mechanisms, keep watching. Materials you'll need are cardboard paper, popsicle stick, scissors, pencil, eraser, elastic bands, glue, markers. Take one popsicle stick. First mark lines as shown. Now cut off the curved edges on both sides. We only need two parts of this. Now take one full piece and keep it aside. From the second piece, cut in 3/4 to 1/4 ratio as shown. From the curved edges we removed earlier, cut a tiny small piece. These are the parts for our hidden pop-up mechanism. Let me quickly explain the parts. This long piece is the base. On the left side we attach the pop lever. On the right side, sitting above the pop lever, is the release lever. And this tiny piece goes underneath, which is the lift. This small setup is what creates the popping action. Now let's fix this together. First, glue the lift onto the base, that is exactly at this place. Next, place the release lever above the lift and tie it using a rubber band. Then attach the pop lever to the base using another rubber band. And now test it. Pull the pop lever and tuck it under the release lever. Press the release lever and pop. See that? So satisfying. Keep this mechanism aside for now. Take a cardboard sheet. Before drawing, measure how much width you will need using this mechanism. Just like how I'm showing it here. I'm just creating a line so that it's evident to see how much section I can use. Now draw your character inside that section. I am drawing a cute monkey and it turned out so adorable. You can draw your favorite animal, cartoon, flower or anything you like. Let your creativity shine. Once done, flip the cardboard. Place the mechanism on back, making sure the release lever is on the left side. Check that everything fits properly. Take another cardboard piece, measure the area needed for the pop section. Draw and cut your pop-up character. Now glue the mechanism to the main character base first. After that, glue the pop-up character on top. Let it dry. Reset the mechanism. Press the release lever. Pop. Your DIY hidden pop-up is ready. I also made a teddy with a tulip version. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below.